My kitchen is looking all clean and shiny, just the way I like it. And yes, one of my favorite things to do is to clean my kitchen. It's a Friday, and thank God it's Friday. So I am done with my work and now it's time to unwind. But before the weekend starts, I ensure that one of my most important tasks at home, which is kitchen cleaning, is done. Because kitchen में इतने appliances हैं, Rotimatic, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, इनको clean करना time to time बहुत ज़रूरी है, otherwise they kind of stop performing. So I try to at least clean my kitchen on Friday so that my weekends are free. Friday evening mein, I try to ensure that my kitchen is clean and organized so that my weekend and my weekdays go by really easy. And weekends pe, I don't want to do any of the household stuff. So one of the Fridays in a month, I keep for deep kitchen clean. So let's go do that. My week was really busy and I had no time to do anything at home. Look around, my kitchen is so unorganized. And here I'm wondering where to start from. It's always best to unload the dishwasher first and load in back any dirty dishes so that your sink area is clean. Well, I am on a mission to complete the entire kitchen cleaning in under 30 minutes. This is my favorite kadhai from KitchenAid. It is made of steel and it is big enough. I used it to make poha today. Dishwasher में ये अच्छे से clean नहीं हुई, so I'll scrub it with my hands. So as I mentioned, I made poha for brunch today. मैंने ये manual chopper use किया था to chop the onions. Onions को मैंने दो sizes में chop किया था, एक थोड़े bigger sizes और एक थोड़ा finely chopped along with green chilies. पोहा बनाना तो बहुत ही आसान है. I use some onions, some curry patta and some ginger. I got this granite mortar and pestle from Amazon. It is so useful and it is one of my favorite kitchen items. कढ़ाई में ऑयल की क्वांटिटी थोड़ी ज़्यादा लग रही थी, इसलिए आई टुक आउट द एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल एंड देन एडेड मस्टर्ड एंड सम जीरा. पोहा को पहले ही मैंने पानी से रिंस करके रख लिया था. One of the essential things to note is to not let poha sog. I added some roasted cashews. Cashews traditionally शायद पोहा में नहीं डालते हैं, but cashews are one of my favorites and they go in all my recipes. Poha is ready. We had poha for our brunch and then I went back to work. I got these coasters from Amazon. They are made of silicone and they go in the dishwasher. बेस्ट बात यह है कि इनको हाथ से नहीं धोना पड़ता है. You can put them in the dishwasher and they come out all clean. I wanted to clean my microwave जिसके लिए I use this white vinegar and water. इसको मैंने माइक्रोवेव किया for 15 minutes. किचन में सबसे ज़्यादा रोटी मैटर को क्लीन करना पड़ता है. Ideally it should be cleaned after every use, but that's not possible every time. रोटी मैटी की इंटरनल क्लीनिंग के लिए देयर इज दिस एडवांस्ड क्लीनिंग का ऑप्शन. यू स्विच इट ऑन, एड सम वाटर एंड विनेगर एंड देन इट क्लीन्स द इंटरनल पाइप्स एंड ट्यूब्स एज वेल. Specifically for the kitchen, I make my own cleaner because I don't like using chemicals. For this cleaner, I use white vinegar, some dish soap, and some water. By the way, I added some vanilla extract to this, hence the color. Shake it well, and it's ready. I use this cleaner for cleaning countertops, gas cooktops, cabinets. किचन के सिंक के लिए I use a chemical cleaner because that becomes really dirty and ये cleaner is not that powerful. But for cooktops, countertops, cabinets, it works perfectly. ये वाइट कैबिनेट्स को मेंटेन करना इज सच अ टास्क. इन पे कभी ऑयल लग जाता है, कभी ग्रेवी गिर जाती है, कभी कुछ हल्दी लग जाती है. सो इनको रेगुलरली क्लीन करना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अदरवाइज द स्टेन्स काइंड ऑफ डोंट गो अवे. I had to use so many paper towels. I have a set of these power brushes. I got them from Amazon and they come with a variety of attachments. It's rechargeable and super easy to use. For sink cleaning, I'm going to use Scrubbing Bubbles. This is a great brand. I got a 3-pack from Costco and it really works well in the bathroom, kitchen sink, steel appliances. And because I'm going to use chemicals now, I'm going to wear these gloves because somehow chemicals ka residue kind of stays on your hands. So it's always best to use gloves while using chemicals. Ready. I'm going to use this attachment for scrubbing the kitchen sink. Now coming back to the microwave. Microwave हो चुका है 15 minutes के लिए. Make sure you unplug the microwave before cleaning it. I used a paper towel, dipped it into the same water vinegar solution and scrubbed the insides of the microwave. लास्ट ट्रे को डिशवॉशर में भी डाल सकते हैं, but I wasn't too sure about it, so I always clean it with my hands. My robot vacuum runs every day, but it's not able to reach into the corners. So I use a hand vacuum to get into the corners and vacuum all the dirt out. Just look around. My kitchen looks so tidy. And by the way, microwave clean करने के बाद make sure that you leave the door open so that the microwave can dry up. That's all for this vlog today. See you in the next vlog. Have a great weekend.